Do you think our model of the smart city is adapted to face COVID-19 pandemic? In the past, we did not know how pandemics did spread. Now we can identify, test, track, and isolate people using digital services. So thanks to the digital revolution, which is supported by the smart city strategy, it helps to identify and fight back faster than we ever had in our past, in our history. So the model of the smart city is working well, but it's not enough, because it's not acceptable to not be able to breathe in 2020. It's not acceptable to not be able to kiss someone in 2020. And you know how much we love kissing in France. So this model of the smart city should evolve after this pandemic.